All right, so we about to head out, go to this pool party, pretty much be there.
I know they blow trees, so you know me low. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did low but
So we're just making sure we have everything. I ended up getting these waterproof book bags for us as well. They pretty dope. Definitely can't wait to use it when we go to El Yunque, the rainforest. Probably gonna try to do that next Saturday, and during the week try to do some activities like ATV, visit different beaches. The guy that I seen last time, he actually sent me something on Instagram where we can visit different beaches and stuff. So definitely want to do that. So we definitely ready, guys, to head out. Senorita look like she not ready.
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly. Love me, I see no way to believe I do with the world I've seen her. We are nobody who Jehovah. And I'm the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's all they need to shit. And I really put it too far.
All right, guys, we just got to this thing. Got a nail in one of our tires, but it's all good. We got a spare. Definitely a nice little vibe, I ain't gonna lie. This place feel like it's in the country somewhere. It was definitely beautiful out here, man. Make me feel like I'm in the countryside in Jamaica or something. Let's see what's going on back here with the pool party. Jamaican style, is it, man? Yeah, guys, we are here. The vibes is definitely lit. It look like they're gonna slowly build up this place, but this place look absolutely lit, man. And I already know the food gonna be lit. I look down here, it look like they're gonna expand all the way down there, and if they do, that's gonna be fire. But man, Puerto Rico is beautiful, man. In this country area that's not even too far. Outside, I think it's like a 15-minute drive. Beautiful wooded area they got right here. Senorita looking beautiful over there.
We start getting hungry, so we are going to go for food. He's telling me that we can get some curry goat and oxtail chicken, so we are going to see what is our best option.
Any type of food them have vlog, we're getting it. Jerk chicken, curry goat, oxtail. Doesn't it? Let's go see. The top chef, this in a vlog, the top chef, you see me? Man! People in the pool enjoying themselves, man. Yeah!
I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am.
But look, guys. Guys, the food look, turn up. Look on my plate. Look at my plate, guys. The rice and peas, 8 out of 10. Oxtail, let's give it a try. Oh my God. Oxtail, 10 out of 10. Let me taste the pasta. Look at the pasta, guys. Look at that. Pasta, 7.5 out of 10.
Hold you for my life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride. Hold you for life.
Alright, vlog, I just came to get the camera back. The rain stopped. But that's Puerto Rico, man. 1 minute it's raining, the next it's not. It's beautiful out here, man. Definitely reminds me of Jamaica. You know what I mean? Beautiful countryside.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite.
I didn't even know Senorita was back here, yo. You enjoying yourself, Senorita?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, babe. I was looking at you.
Interesante. How you enjoying yourself? Tell the vlog.
I'm having a really, really good time. I enjoy the pool, eating, and be next to you. I'm not you put that in.
Interessante. Mad move vlog. You see me? So this is where we at. Don't be here for another probably an hour or two. We'll call it a day. I appreciate y'all checking us out. Subscribe. And you don't know the things that already are mad move. Jamaican style. You see me? Latina style. Honduras style. Say something to them in Spanish.
Nos vemos. Hasta la próxima. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Don't know what that means, but you hear it right us up on the vlog. Mad.
Showed another to the city, I promise, so let's get the fuck out St. Louis. Maybe we go to St. Lucia. I've been there, so I'll introduce you. Or maybe you go to St. Martin with me if these niggas take break and quit starting with me.
Killer man, so we circle limits like the little man. Stick a bomb, make a damn black green. So who knows sketch a man? That's it, how we dig a bat. One man shot my mother part. Yeah. Shot fire every man on a beat like Trinidad. When we step in on the street like criminal. Cheat up your weekly, the minimal. Funeral, dinner down. Nobody.
No man vlog, me I forget I look a last snippet cause the girl them tear up tonight, man. Watch it. Boom, boom, boom,